NASA JJ Railroad drawbridge, which is a Bascule bridge. This is built in 1963. It's a simple train rail Bascule bridge. Yeah. So NASA Railroad crossing the Indian River, located in Titusville, Florida. See, look at this bridge. It's lowered. It's a single track. It's for railroad traffic. Lowers for train traffic, and it raises. It stays raised until the lowest for train traffic. You see, look at this. A long railroad bridge. Yeah. Yeah, I believe this bridge is still in service though. And it is located in Titusville, Florida, and it's owned by NASA. So